Maserati has long been a symbol of Italian luxury, performance, and distinctive style, and the 2026 Grecale SUV now fully embodies that legacy with a major powertrain upgrade. The Italian automaker has decided to retire the four-cylinder base engine in the United States, replacing it with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 derived from the exotic MC20 sports car. This marks a significant step up in performance, allowing the Grecale to better reflect the Maserati brand while keeping pricing competitive, a rare feat in the luxury SUV segment. The outgoing four-cylinder Grecale offered 296 horsepower and 325 horsepower in its two trims, but many enthusiasts felt it lacked the punch expected from a Maserati. The new V6 addresses that concern decisively. While the engine in the MC20 produces a blistering 621 horsepower, the version used in the base Grecale has been detuned to 385 horsepower, enough to provide a noticeable improvement over the old four-cylinder. Even with this adjustment, the Grecale's top speed climbs to 160 miles per hour, up 11 miles per hour from the previous model, demonstrating that the extra power is especially effective at higher speeds. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour remains at an impressive 5.0 seconds, suggesting the vehicle retains its smooth and controlled launch while delivering better highway performance. Maserati has carefully balanced the upgrade without increasing cost. The 2026 Grecale now starts at $86,495, including the $1,995 destination and handling fee, which is identical to the outgoing 2025 four-cylinder Modena trim. This means buyers are essentially getting a much more powerful and performance-oriented SUV for the same price as the less powerful version, a rare move in the segment where power upgrades often come with a premium. However, the trade-off is that the entry-level base trim has been eliminated, meaning buyers looking for the cheapest Grecale will now start with the more powerful Modena configuration. For those seeking even more performance, the high-output Trofeo trim remains in the lineup, continuing to deliver 523 horsepower. Maserati is also maintaining the all-electric Folgore variant, which combines 550 horsepower with 605 pound-feet of torque, and now offers an increased range of 275 miles thanks to a new all-wheel drive disconnect function. This makes the Grecale Folgore a compelling choice for buyers who want a performance-oriented electric SUV without sacrificing practicality or Maserati's signature driving dynamics. Overall, the 2026 Grecale represents a smart move by Maserati. By replacing the underwhelming four-cylinder engine with a V6 while maintaining pricing, the brand has ensured that its SUV now feels more in line with its sporty, luxurious image. The upgrade enhances driving enjoyment, reinforces Maserati's performance heritage, and keeps the Grecale competitive in the crowded luxury SUV market. Whether buyers choose the V6 Modena, the 523 horsepower Trofeo, or the electric Folgore, the 2026 Grecale proves Maserati is serious about blending Italian style with exhilarating performance.